Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to do graphics in Word. You will start by opening your Word file. When you do, you will go to the Insert menu. After that, click on Chart. Here you can choose the type of graph to use. In this case, we are going to use a graph from the Columns section. When you choose it, click OK. When the chart is integrated into the document, you'll see a series of standard data. You are going to delete this data and then paste the data to use here. It is important that you adjust the margin so that only the data to use is selected. This will help you make the graph look good. When you close this window, you will see this data on the chart you have chosen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.